Model, 2015 Mercedes Sprinter 313 Lwb flatbed dropside chassis recovery needs repair. No Vat. Body, white, flatbed. Mileage, 153692. Engine, 2143 ccom 651 129 hpa. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. The engine will need repairing or replacing. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, cruise control, electric window.